We've got banking passwords. If they try and click that, that would be fun. Plays. Oh, I've got to put the sound. Let's fix the sound here. As you can see, this is a virtual machine. So if they try and open my banking password, they're going to get rickrolled. That's very old school. Okay, hopefully I can change this. There we go. Yep, that's working. All right, so hopefully that's broadcasting. Let's just get the virtual machine back. And if they try and run, because if they like to put syskis on things, so if they try and run syski, they're going to get a nice little surprise as well. There we go. It's a syski. Let's update. Oh, it doesn't work anymore. I thought I'd. Yeah. Alright, so that's not working anymore. That's supposed to rickroll them actually, but basically they can't set a syskey. It's gonna basically freeze the. That's not the actual syskey app. I renamed it. So yeah, we got some details here. Dylan Tyler, 52. I don't sound 50. Let's generate someone else. Generate 44. Ryan Willis. What else can I set? Too old. The nice thing about this one is this also will generate a fake email address as well, so we can use this email address for 24 hours if we need this. It's got everything. We got an address. We got some visa details there, very legitimate visa details. I'm CEO. I live in Washington, I think. Not entirely sure actually. Let's try again. Oops. Getting a bit of lag on your computer here. Let's check. I don't know why it's lagging. That should not be lagging. Alright. Betty. No, I want male. There we go. He's an information systems manager. That's no good because whatever. This doesn't really matter, I'm sure. Does this work? Does it actually even work, this website? No, it doesn't. It's down. I could complain about that as well. Anyway, so let's give these guys a call and we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can hear this. It's ringing out, isn't it? Did actually get through to them earlier. This is a bit strange. Maybe they're all busy this time. This is the boring part, I guess.
The person you have called is currently unavailable. Please record your message at the tone.
Let's try again. Unavailable. I tried it before and it did loads of weird ringing stuff. I got like a iPhone ringing. It was very strange. There we go.
Calling. Please continue to hold for the next available agent.
Well, the music was really professional. Ooh, this music. Enjoying the music.
We appreciate your business. All agents are currently busy assisting other callers. Please continue to hold for the next available agent.
Oh, there we go. Gotta wait for the next available agent. Most exciting live stream ever, isn't it?
Calling technical support. My name is James. How may I help you? Yes. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, tell me.
I got an error. I got error 268D3 popped up in my web browser when I was looking at the internet, and now I'm pretty worried. It said that my information was at risk or something.
And what you were doing at one of time when you got the security alert on your computer?
I've got malware bytes on my computer, and I was just browsing the internet. I was checking out the weather and stuff. But I got rid of it pretty quick because it looked pretty scary, but I took down the number and gave you a call.
Okay, man. And may I know, could you please read out the whole message, what you can see on the screen?
I got rid of it already, but it said error 268D3. It said do not ignore, and it said my information is being stolen, Facebook login, credit card details.
Yeah, remove it.
Yep, I've got rid of it already. I got rid of I closed the browser out.
Okay, just give me a minute. Let me scan this code, then I'll let you know, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Scan this code. It's bullshit. He knows it's bullshit. You can't hear me right now because I muted the Skype. So we'll see what he says.
Alright, so may I know, sir, it's a work computer or it's a home computer?
It's a home computer.
I would say the scan the code, it seems to be like that. There's such kind of virus like this computer in a computer. There's spyware,
really?
right?
Oh my god.
There's spyware and that Trojans they're trying to get into your computer, but you remove them, that's a good thing, but they are in your network right now. They're still in your network, as I can see with the network.
You can see in my network?
They're trying to get in. Yeah, they can track your network. They are in your network because this is IP based issue, so they have tracked your IP address.
That's interesting.
So they can infect. Sorry?
That's kind of worrying. I mean, this is quite a new machine. It's not that old. I have only used it for a few weeks.
Okay, no issue. Let me tell you. Listen, Mr. Firstly, right?
Yes.
So they can infect your whole. They can infect your whole computer. Might be if they are in your network currently. Okay. So you need to remove them right now, right away from the network. So what you have to do?
How can I remove them?
If there's some issue. Let me tell you one thing.
I'm listening, yes?
Yeah, just give me a minute here.
Okay. Let me tell you one thing.
So, let me tell you one thing, so what you have to do, because that kind of issue can corrupt your network security. So, let me ask you ready for your network or not? Tell me first.
I'm using Malwarebytes. I heard that's pretty good for spyware and things, and that's about it.
No, sir. Malwarebytes, I believe. Let me tell you one thing, sir.
Uh-huh.
Malwarebytes is not a security. Malwarebytes is just a scan tool that scan only the virus in the computer. But I'm talking about the network security, which will protect you from the spyware.
I use
and the
Windows
Trojans,
Defender as
unwanted
well.
connection.
Windows,
Windows Defender is not just a Windows Defender is just will protect your window. It's not for the network. Okay. Protecting your
Windows on the network. Oh, so my
Windows,
router's affected.
Windows Defender is your network security has been corrupted. So what you have to do, you have to take the network security for your network. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so first I need to check firstly. So what you have to do, you have to follow my instructions carefully. First I will check, then I can let you know what's the problem, okay?
Okay,
Alright?
brilliant, yeah.
Alright, so right now you are in front of your computer.
I am, yes.
Alright, may I know which operating system you are using? Please tell me.
I think it's Windows 10.
Okay, did you upgrade your window recently?
No, it's a new computer, so it came with the machine.
Okay, and did you download anything, sir, in your computer today, like any program, any installation software in your computer?
There was a game I started playing today. I downloaded a game from Big Fish Games.
Okay. So might be, sir, there might be some issue with the games as well. Because if your network security is not working, if you download any games, so that kind of spyware can affect your window as well. So they come to the downloads. If you something download in your computer, and if you use something, you should have a network security for your computer, okay? And I will suggest you have a brand new computer. Please put the security for your network right now, right away. Okay. So first, let me check. Okay.
Okay.
So what you have to do, you have to follow my steps. I will give you some steps. Okay. Then I will check. Okay. All right. So look at your keyboard. Can you see a window key at the left bottom side? A 4 flag key.
I see control.
Okay.
A square.
Oh yes. Next to the control. Yes. Square key. Yes. A flag key. Window key. The square key.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yes. I pressed it.
Okay. Now what you have? No. Do not press it. What you have to do? You have to press and hold this window key, and the same time press the letter R. R as in Romeo. Okay. Window and letter R.
Window and letter
Okay.
R. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now what you can see on the screen? Tell me.
There's a
Now
box.
what you can see?
It says run. It says type the name of a program, folder, document, or internet resource, and Windows will open it for you. And there's a flashing cursor.
Exactly. This box is empty or something is written in this box? Please tell me.
There's a flashing cursor.
Just empty, right? Nothing is in
It's
this
empty,
box,
yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. Now type in that box www.
www.
Dot F as in Frank.
F.
Yes, F as in Frank.
F as in Frank.
A as in Apple. Yes, A as in Apple.
A as in Apple.
Yes, S as in Sam.
S as in Sam.
T as in Tango.
T as in Tango.
Then S as in Sam.
S.
Yes, S as in Sam. U as in uniform. U as in uniform.
U uniform. Yeah.
P as in Peter.
P.
Then P as in Peter again.
Okay.
O as in orange.
O. Yeah.
R as in Romeo. T as in Tango.
Yep.
.com.
.com. C-O.
Now tell me. Oh yes. Now repeat that. Could you please repeat that for me? What you have typed in that box?
I've got www. F as in Freddy. A as in Apple. S as in Sierra. T as in Tango. S as in Sierra. U as in uniform. Double P for Peter. ORT .com.
Okay.
Support.com.
Okay. There is dot. www. Yeah. www dot. There is a dot after W. Got it?
Yes.
www dot support.com. Click on OK.
Okay.
Now click on Click on OK.
Yep. It's a little bit slow.
You will get a support connection page where you get warning. You need to type in your name, okay?
My screen. Oh, it's opened up. It's opened up Chrome. Okay. Yes, it wants my name.
Yeah, type in your name
Okay.
and type in the support key in the other box.
And support key. What's my support key?
109
109
614
614
518.
918.
5. It's 5. FIBE 518.
Oh,
It's not
sorry.
9. It's 5.
518. I'm sorry. Okay. And I click continue. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. It says run. Go to assist
Yes, run.
launcher.
Run.
Oh,
Click
yeah,
on run.
it's downloading.
Yes, run. Yes, run.
Something.
Run. Click on run. Okay, please let me know what are the options you can see.
It's saying Citrix Online Launcher connecting to Go to Assist.
Yes,
Downloading
yes.
Go to Assist.
Yes.
Okay.
Just wait, alright? It will take some
Yep.
time. Don't worry, alright? It will take some time.
Do I
And
want
so when
this
did you
app?
purchase this computer? Just, yeah.
Do I want this app to allow this app to make changes to my PC?
Yes, allow. Yes, allow. Yes,
Okay.
allow. Yes, allow. Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Sorry, yeah, I purchased it about 3 weeks ago, but it was second
All
hand.
right.
It was from someone else, but it was clean. It was a clean installation. They put the Windows on there, and it all seemed to be okay. James Walker has invited you to join a support session. By joining, James Walker will be able to see your screen, control your mouse, transfer your files, and request diagnostic information for this session. Do I want to join the session? I guess I click yes. Is that right?
Yes, Jordan. Yes. Exactly.
Okay, I clicked yes.
Alright, just give me a minute. Let me connect with you as well. Just give me a minute. It will take some time. Now, what you can see on the screen, please tell me.
Just the Go to Assist page, and I see a box at
And
the
your
bottom right.
and I got your name, Richard Head, right?
Yes,
your
that's
name
right.
is Richard Head.
Mhm.
Yeah. Just give me a minute because I'm waiting for the connection. It's taking a bit longer because the computer might be the network is slow, so it's taking a bit longer, right?
I
So just bear
understand.
with me. I really appreciate your patience and
No
time.
problem.
I appreciate your patience and time.
Yeah, thank you for your help. I mean, this is really worrying me now. So I hope we
Yeah,
can
I
get
can
this
understand.
fixed.
So first, I need to check. Okay. First, I need to check. All right.
Which
Don't
company
worry,
is this,
because
by the
without
way?
getting, yeah,
What
we
do
are the Microsoft support partners. We are
Oh,
providing
okay.
the support for the Microsoft products.
Oh, okay.
Right. Because there's a lots of company in the market, so your call can be routed to anywhere, to Microsoft Support Center.
Oh, I
There are
understand.
thousands of office of Microsoft support. Yeah, right. So I'm still, what you can see on the screen right now, so please check.
Just the same as before. It's Go to Assist. There's a box that says Stop Screen Sharing, Chat, File Transfer, and End Session.
No. So because I can see a black screen, I can't see your computer screen.
Oh.
Yeah, I can see your your cursor is moving,
Uh-huh.
but I can't see your screen.
Can you see? I can see my web page.
But I can see your cursor, but I can't see your screen. Just give me a minute, okay?
Mhm.
All right, sir. Wait, so it will take some time, okay?
Okay, no problem. Oh, it's gone black.
Just give me a minute. Please do not touch your mouse, okay?
Okay.
Just wait, sir. Just give me a minute here. Let me check why you are not connecting to me.
So he's actually he did the control alt
So
delete.
now,
I
please
didn't.
check what you can see on the screen. So black screen or white screen?
No, it's blue and it says lock, switch user, sign out, change password, and task manager, and a cancel button.
Okay. Okay, click cancel. Click on cancel.
Yes.
Alright, just... Alright, just give me a minute. Let me
Okay.
check, okay? Let me check.
Okay. It's,
Click on yes. You will get an option there. Click on
yeah.
yes, okay?
Okay. I've clicked on yes.
Alright, just
Okay.
wait.
Now
Let
my
me check
computer's
here.
restarting.
Okay, just I'm restarting computer because I'm just trying to do it in safe mode because the network is corrupted, so it's not
Oh,
allowing me
right.
to do anything.
Oh wow,
Right.
it
So
really
just
is pretty
can I
bad.
put you on hold for a minute? While
Okay.
it's restarting, can I put you on hold?
Yeah, no
minute?
problem.
Alright.
So, Microsoft support partners could be put anywhere. I think there's like this number like directs to so many different scammers in different offices. So I don't think it's just like one set of scammers. I think it's many of them. You can hear in the background what's going on. And oh my god, my network has been corrupted. Malwarebytes doesn't defend against Trojans or viruses. Absolutely terrible. What should we do? I'm so scared. So worried. Hackers are in my PC already. So I think it might be either a problem with the virtual machine or a problem with the screen recording that he can't see anything at the moment. So yeah, you can't see anything. It's just rebooting. He's put me on hold. He's on mute. He can't hear me. Nothing is happening.
Hello, so now what you can see on the screen?
At the moment, it's black screen.
Okay,
My cursor's there.
Because I'm restarting in a safe.
Okay.
Just wait.
Okay, now it's asking
Right,
me.
and I really appreciate it. Okay, and so how did you remove that? How do you get rid out from this? Please type in a password, sir.
Yep.
Please type in your password.
Okay. It's being very slow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, just wait. I'm waiting for it.
Can you see my screen now? It says welcome and it's just loading.
Yeah, I'm still waiting. Because once you will be connected with a secure server, with the Microsoft secure server, then I will be able to see your screen.
Okay.
Yes, because I'm just trying to connect you with the Microsoft secure server. Okay, now I can see your screen.
Oh, excellent.
Can you see that my pointer is moving in front of the computer?
Yes, I can see that. Microsoft secure server.
As I told you, sir, you still have the virus and your computer is infected. That's the reason you're getting such issues. Let me check, okay?
Okay.
Sir, how did you upgrade it? How did you get rid from this pop-up? Tell me firstly. How did you remove that scary things?
I used the task manager. I closed the window with the task manager. Control Alt Delete.
Okay, and you play this. You download this game. You download this game.
That's right. Yes.
All right, sir. Today you download this game, right?
That's correct.
All right. Just give me a minute. Let me scan this computer, then I will let you know. Okay? What's
Okay.
my problem here? All right, so just bear with me. So what kind of work you do on this
Oh my
computer
God.
usually?
I don't really do any work on it. I just oh wow, what is that? Oh, that must be the scan. Yeah, I just use it for just my home things. I just browse the internet, send emails, do some. I use it for online banking and just playing some games and things. Nothing really too powerful.
All right. And sir, you are the only user of this computer, or do you share this computer with anybody else at your home?
No, I'm the only user.
And this is the only computer which is connected with the same network, or do you have any other computer as well, which is connected with the same network?
I've got a laptop that I use
Sorry?
for. I've got a laptop that I use for when I go out, I don't often use it, and then
This is
there's my phone as well. I've got my phone connected to the network.
all right. And who is your internet service provider?
It's my wife sorts that out. Actually, I can't remember its name. I don't. I think it's Comcast.
Okay.
It might. I'm not sure.
Okay. You and your wife is the user of this computer, right?
No, she doesn't use this one. She doesn't really know much about the computers, so she just has her phone and her tablet.
Okay. All right. So meanwhile, the scan is going on. Let me check the computer configuration part as well. Okay.
Okay.
And so, did you upgrade your window? Did you upgrade this window by yourself, or did you get this window in the computer
No,
when
it
you
was
purchased this computer?
it was pre-installed onto the computer. I asked for them to put.
Because sometimes so what happened? Okay. You asked them for the install the right Windows
yes,
10.
of course, yeah. Well, I just said put the
And
latest
your
version of
computer is
Windows on
running
there.
Okay, and sir, may I know why your computer is running very slow? Because it's a pretty much new computer.
I don't
Why
know.
it's
I
running
mean,
very slow?
it was running fine until, oh, potentially harmful software detected. See, I get that pop up sometimes as well.
Can you see that? Can you see
yeah.
that? Potentially harmful software detected. Your computer network is not secure. Your network security is corrupted. I told you earlier, right? So that's the reason you're getting such kind of virus infection in a computer. That can viruses can crash your computer as well. Okay, they are not good for a computer.
No, that's right.
And sir, you did a great job to remove that scary thing, and you are the very much intelligent to know how to remove that.
Oh,
I
thank
really
you.
appreciate you for that.
I don't really know
But
much
sometimes,
about.
what happen? Yes, and sometimes what happen? Customer don't know how to get rid of them. But what they do, they just shut down the computer, and the computer get crashed sometimes.
And then
You
they
did a
can't
great job
turn it
to
back
remove
on
that
again.
one.
Oh
Yeah,
my
they
god.
turn it back on again, then computer get crash and computer get a no boot situation,
wow.
and you did a great job. First you read out, then you call the support. That's a great thing you did.
So what is this I'm seeing? Is this
Can you
the...
see that? Can you see that? Sir,
Mm.
there are lots of programs in your computer. They are not running. Sir, are you touching your mouse?
I'm not, no.
Please do not touch it. Let me show you. Yeah. Can you see that? Allo join router service, application layer gateway service, application host service, application identity, management, app readiness, deployment services, Windows audio, endpoint builder, Windows audio, active installer. They're stopped. Can you see that? None of them are running. So that's the reason you're getting such kind of issue. That kind of spyware has corrupted your Windows operating system layer 1. The operating system has layer 3, 1, 2, 3, and the layer 1 is when you work out. Layer 1, if you talk about the layer 1 operating system layer 1, when you install any program to the computer, download anything, it's come to the layer 1. So they have corrupted layer 1. Can you see that? They have stopped all the programs here. So that's the reason. Every program has their value. If you talk about AS or SPNet service that used to convert all the program into the language, which you use usually English language. Apps deployment services are used to protect the Wi-Fi connection, and app readiness reading all the secure pages here, and active installer used for downloading the files. This is for downloading the files. So this stopped. Right? So that's the reason. Let me check here.
That scan's taken a while, isn't it?
Here. Yeah, because sir, it's scanning whole computer. You know, scan computer is a 64-bit or 34-bit. It's a very large machine. And if you talk about the computer is a brain. The brain of the computer. Like if the human brain is not work, the human will not work. If you talk about computer will get corrupted. You will not be able to use anything in a computer.
Of
right?
course.
Right here. And so if you talk about the malware, you got this in the computer? You get this malware from the computer when you purchase it?
Yes. I asked them to put it on there. I said, can I have some kind of malware protection?
Because these are all this is not a security. So let me tell you one thing, okay? Let me just confirm you. Malwarebyte is not a security. It's just a tool to scan the computer. It will not protect you anyhow. Right? Whenever you do at the computer, purchase the best security for this computer. Like people purchase McAfee, people purchase AVG, people purchase network security, but you don't have any security for the new computer.
Right.
That's the reason. But if you talk about the security, this is network security. It's all about the network security. Network security, if you don't have, can you see that, sir, here?
Cube face virus. I've not heard of that before.
Sorry?
I heard of that. Kubeface. Network security corrupted. Oh, wow. Okay.
So sometimes anybody bots. Sometimes anyhow anybody bots on this computer, or your friend, or any. Your
I'm the only one who
circle.
uses it. So I've not really watched anything yet. It's a new computer, so.
Because sir, let me tell you one thing, sir. If you don't have any network security for your computer, if you're watching the porn websites, they are the illegal websites, okay? So they can corrupt your operating system and they can corrupt your whole computer because these are the illegal websites. If you're watching that websites, you should have a network security. If you don't have network security, they will corrupt your all the data because these are the illegal websites. And let me tell you one thing, because these are the free websites, right? So there are no charges for the porn websites.
Of course,
If you're watching porn websites, they are the free, so they can corrupt your whole computer. So that's the reason. I can see that. So there's some file, the computer. So they are the free files. They can corrupt your whole computer and network. Okay.
Oh no. Just
Yeah.
just a picture file can do that. I never knew that. Wow, I thought pictures and things were safe.
No. I'm not telling that you don't watch porn. You can, but you should have a security because security matters for the computer. Because these are illegal websites. If you are watching any illegal website, you should have a security for your computer. So it's mandatory for every computer users. So I will be using the same computer and I will be watching the porn instead of you. I can get the same issue.
So you use the
I
network
watch
security.
porn. I really do watch porn, but I put security for my computer. Alright, so let me check firstly what is Kubeface virus.
Okay.
Okay, what is Kubeface virus? Let me check. Alright, so just give me a minute here. Let me check firstly what is Kubeface virus.
Okay.
And so who is your internet service provider? You told me that Comcast.
I believe
or
it's
AOL?
Comcast. I'm not entirely sure because my, like I said, I don't sort out the internet. It comes with the television, and my wife handles the television stuff.
Alright, and computer stuff you handle.
But we get like a package.
Alright,
And
can
it
you
comes
see
all
that?
together,
So what
so.
is
Okay.
Okay, and so can you see that the Kubeface virus? Please read it.
It says Kubeface
Please
is a
read
network
that.
worm that attacks Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux platforms. It originally targeted users of networking websites like Facebook, Skype, Yahoo Messenger, and Gmail, Yahoo, AOL Mail, and it also targets other network websites such as MySpace, Twitter, and can affect other devices on the same local network. This infection allows an attacker to access personal information such as banking information, passwords, or personal identity IP address. Oh God. It's considered a security risk and should be removed from the network. Oh, so it's on my network. So it's not just the computer then,
Yes.
it could also be my laptop and...
Yes, it can come to another laptop as well. It's a network issue. It can come to your phone as well.
So on my
It can come
Facebook
to
or
your
my phone
iPad
and
as well.
things?
It can come. Yes, definitely. They can steal your password. They can steal your banking password as well. They can steal any kind of details from the computer if it will not protect your network.
Oh
So
my
everybody
God.
using net banking, they are using the network security. It's, because sir, I'm also a user of net banking and all the things. So I am using the security from my computer. Because of that, right now there are lots of wrong things going in the market. There are lots of people are doing some kind of cyber crime by using the IP address. They just track the computer and they can steal all the details. Data is more secure than money because somebody, if you're paying $1,000, it's not enough for them. But somebody steal your data, it's very serious, sir. Because data
Very
is
serious, yeah.
better than money.
Well, of
Talk
course.
about data. Data is more secure thing. Yes.
Well, my friend,
But data, if you lose your data,
my friend had a problem. He got his identity stolen, and someone took out a loan or something in his name, and I think it was $100,000 he owed someone, and it had nothing to do with him. I was really like shocked about that. I never knew that sort of thing could happen.
oh, sir, and let me tell you one thing, sir. Any point of time, if you receive any call from any one person, please do not entertain such calls because the cannot call to the customer. Customer called for the support, right? Today you called us. We never called you, right? If you receive any call stating that your computer is not working fine, it is not working fine, do not give them access of your computer. They can steal your details, okay? If somebody called you, do not pick up the call. Right. Can you see
Wow.
there's a 546
Wow.
file of your computer has been corrupted?
Oh wow, that's
Network
many.
file. Can you see that?
Yes, I see.
Can you see that? Error warning. Yes.
Uh-huh,
That's the
uh-huh.
reason we're getting such issues in the computer.
So,
Here, let me tell you the complete report here, what we have to do here.
mhm,
Okay. And I will suggest you please take the security for both the computer and network, okay? So
mhm,
they can
mhm.
protect you future. So please note down the few details, sir. Please note down my name. Sorry. Please grab a piece of paper.
Yeah, okay, I'll write this down.
Yeah. And 143. Note down the toll-free number. That is the direct toll-free number. If the call gets disconnected, so you can give us a call back, alright?
Mhm, yes.
855 270 5419. Have you jotted down?
Yeah, 5419. Okay.
And please, please note down your case ID.
Mhm.
Right. MCT 190832.
Okay.
So please check the number support on the website as well. Let me just show you that number, okay? Give me a minute here.
Mhm.
You are using Microsoft Edge OS coming with a new computer, right?
Oh.
Your
Okay.
Microsoft is not working.
Well, I was using it just
Let me
before.
check.
Wow.
Okay. Right, so please check the number.
Idiot,
The
doesn't
toll-free
even know
number.
how to
Please
open
match the number from the Microsoft support. Please check it. Please cross-check the number.
Yeah.
All right.
So I write that number down. Yeah. Is this?
All right. So
Yeah.
yeah, Microsoft support number. So if whenever the call, if just tell me your number so that I can give you a call back if the call get disconnect. Well,
Yeah. 1 second. It is.
yeah.
Yeah.
Tell me a number.
520
So,
323.
but you are calling with the other. You are calling with the other number. This is a different number.
Yeah, I'm
520.
I'm calling with a different number at the moment, but my main home number is 520
Okay.
323
Huh?
8592.
I believe you're calling with a landline number, right?
At the moment, no, I'm using a cell phone because I can't get my phone to
Okay,
the computer.
alright. All right. So let me tell you the complete report here, sir. What we have to do here.
Mhm.
And I got the code here, 268D3. That's the code. Am I correct, sir?
Yes, that's the right code.
That was the error code.
Mhm, that's it.
Because I got the scan. So we need to remove the Q-face virus from the computer.
Mhm.
Okay. We need to remove all the corrupted files. Okay. Here, let me check firstly the IP address. What is the status of IP? Because sometimes what people do, they can corrupt your personal identity address as well. The IP address, okay?
Oh my
So I
god.
need to check it firstly. The IP
Mhm.
address, yeah. IP address is secure or not. So your both computers connected with the same network, or you are using any other network for the computers?
There's only one network in my house.
All right, and your both the computers connected to the same network. Am I
Mhm.
correct?
Yes, yeah. We all connect to the same Wi-Fi.
All right, cool. Like, okay. So can you see that the local addresses here?
Mhm.
The local addresses stand for your address. This is your IP address.
Mhm.
And if you talk about the foreign addresses, these are foreign people who are trying to get into your network. They are the attackers and they are the hacker people. Can you see the address? You can't read that address. They are the unwanted address. The state of connections, please show that. They have established the connection in your network. Can you see that?
Uh-huh.
Some of them are waiting for your permission.
Oh my.
That's the thing here. That's it. Your network is not secure. They can enter in your any point of time. They can enter in your network. But right now you are connected with a Microsoft server, so
Mhm.
they can't do anything right now. Once I will disconnect you from my side, they will be in your computer again.
Oh god, that's terrible.
They can harm you. Alright. So remove all the foreign IP addresses. Okay. We need to remove all the foreign IP addresses as well. We need to remove and refresh your IP. Okay. We will refresh the new IP. Will that fine for you? We'll refresh the IP.
Yeah, of course. Whatever it needs to be repaired.
And we will remove all the stop program, and we will reinstall all the files. Okay, we will need to reinstall all these files. Okay.
Okay.
And sir, I believe that there's no concern for your time. And let me tell you one thing, because it will take like 1.5 hours to fix all the issues. All right, for installing some security and as well. All right.
And
Will
then
that be fine for you?
As long as my computer's like it's okay and my data's secured and it's running faster again, I'm happy.
Definitely, they will clear them tune up of a computer. They will install everything. They will remove all unwanted program. But the time is not for their concern for you, okay? Because they will take some time. Because we need some time to fix out all the issues, like 1.5 hour, okay? Like 60 to 90 minutes, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Let me mention here.
I'll go have my lunch and then.
Once they will start working on it. Yeah, definitely. You don't need to be on the call. Once they start working on it, okay? They will fix out the issue. They will give you a call back, okay? And here, let me tell you one thing, sir. For the report, I need your few details here. I need your name.
Yep.
I need your phone number, and I need your email. So just give me. Let me finish. I will do it for you. Just give me a minute here. Just give me a minute here. Let me do it for you. Name, your phone number, so that we can send you all the documents on your email as well. Okay. All right. So please please type in your name and your phone number and your email. So you can take the control now. You can type your name.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Yeah, you can type in name and your full name, your phone number.
I think.
And give the.
I'm gonna
give
give you.
the phone number with.
I want to give you my.
If you have any alt.
Yeah, I want to give you I want to give you my other cell phone number because it'll be easier to get me on.
Sure. So that we can contact you. If I need any help. All right. Please pick up the call. If the technician requires any help, he will give you a call. Okay.
Yeah.
Please type in your email address. A valid email and valid for everything, so that we can send you each and everything.
Okay.
All right. Just give me a minute. All right. Let me hear.
This is just absolutely stupid. He's done all the basic.
All right. So
scams
okay. Here, let me tell you.
Yep.
And sir, for the
Here
security,
comes
sir, I
the
just want to ask you
monies.
for which security you want to go for, sir. What kind of security you want here?
I want the security that will prevent these problems from happening again, of course.
Yeah, definitely. And for the security, I just want to tell you one thing. Security depends upon the year-wise, like 1 year, 2 year, 1, 3, 5 years. Which you want to go for?
Well, how much
Tell
are
me,
they?
sir. So that I can. So let me share all the prices, okay, with you. The I will start with the 5 year here. So for the 5 year security, it is $9.99. Please do not touch your mouse, sir, because I'm not able to type anything here.
Oh, sorry.
It's $999.99 for 5 year. And if you talk about 3 year,
What a bargain!
you don't need to look at the 5 year because it's for complete 5 years. The people of business class people purchase the security, sir. They do business. $749.99 for the 3 year. And if you talk about the 1 year security, the 1 year security is $379.99.
Wow, for 1 year.
And if you take about the discount here, you will get discount as per the security for year.
Discount. These guys can't even
You will
type.
get discount in 1 year security and 3 year security only. Sorry, all right. In the 5 year, there is no discount. In the plans.
So what's the discount
Right.
for? I mean, I got to be honest. I paid $450 for this computer. It's very expensive just for the security.
Yeah, I can understand, sir. But once you will take the plan, you will be secured for the complete years. All right. You're getting my point? And in which you are getting complete support till 1 year. You no need to go anywhere. You will get a complete support for any issues, any problem with all computers. If you have any issue with the printer, your printer is not working, your this is not working, your email is not working. If you have any issues for the same issues, because they are, that kind of issue can come again, might be, so that you no need to pay any single penny to anyone. You just get a complete support because the authorized support. You will get a complete support. You just need to dial the number. You just need to tell the technician the code, your case ID. He'll provide you the free support and fix out each and everything. Because computer users have every time issues with there. That's the thing here.
Oh, okay.
And this is for all computers. Don't worry. Don't worry. You don't think like that. This is for one computer. This is for both computer. Okay. And this is for your all network.
So that's just for two
included
computers.
Network. Okay.
So my router and my
Free computer.
What about my iPad and my phone as well? Because you said that it's on the network and it could be on my phone.
Sir, if you talk in the sir, all devices are covered in 3-year plan. Okay. In the 1-year plan, only the computers will be covered. Only the computers covered and printer. Computers covered plus printer.
Okay.
Okay. And if you talk about 3-year, you will get discount in that plan. You will cover all devices.
So that's including my iPhone and my Galaxy and.
Yeah, everything, all devices. Your Kindle, if you'll take Kindle, if you'll take Magic Jack, if you'll take iPhone, iPad, all the devices, as I told you earlier.
Wow, that's. Yeah, okay, I'll go for the 3-year then. That sounds like a pretty good deal because I just want to be able to
But
relax.
you will get a discount. You will get a discount, sir. You will get discount in that day. Don't worry. But as I told you earlier, I told you earlier, in the 3-year plan you will get discount.
Okay.
As I told you, sir. Let me check with the supervisor, okay? Let me check with my billing supervisor, okay?
Brilliant, thank you. He's just gone to download some porn, I think, to watch some more porn.
Alright, sir. So for the 3-year, it's gonna cost you $599.99, including all the discounts. Alright?
Oh wow, $150. Okay, yeah, I'll go for that.
Alright.
I think so. Yeah.
So you will go for 1 year or 3-year? Tell me.
I'll go for the 3-year.
Tell me. Alright. So how would you like to pay this amount?
Do you accept
through the check or through the card? It's all up to you. You can pay through the card as well. You can pay through the check as well. Right?
Yeah.
If we talk about the check is more secured than card. Check is very secure way of payment, and the card, if we talk about card is not more secure than check.
How would I pay by check? I mean, I want this problem sorted out as soon as possible. I don't want to hang up.
No. You don't need to pay. You don't need to give any details for the check. You will get an online form. You need to fill it by yourself. Okay. You will get an online form. You will fill it by yourself. Okay. Let me show it to you. Okay. Just give me a minute here. So you don't have to worry about it. Whenever you issue in your computer, like today, evening, tomorrow, just dial the number. Don't worry. Okay. Don't get hesitate to dial the number. Just dial the number. Get support free for all the devices. Okay. I believe you would have printer. Okay.
I have, but it's not connected right now. I haven't hooked it up yet.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Just give me a minute here. Sir, please do not touch your mouse. Because not letting do anything because running very slow. It's very.
I'm not touching the mouse at all. I'm letting you do what you need to do.
So sorry. I thought you were touching, so that's why I told you.
Okay.
Here. All right. So please type in your name. Please type in your first name and last name here. Please start with the first. Please start with the first name and last name.
Hello, are you still there?
Yeah, yes. Please type in your address, sir. Please type in your address.
Address, yeah.
There are 2 lines of address. Yeah. You can move your mouse. If you want, I can move it for you.
Yeah, I can do that myself.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I've finished.
Yep. Type in a phone number. Type in a phone number. You can fill it all the full form. Then if you can
Can I
scroll down
just-
the page.
Can I just copy it from here?
No. Yo, all right. Do not give any space, sir, between the number. Do not give any space
Okay,
between the
so
numbers.
delete these
Just
things
copy.
then.
Yeah, remove all the
Alright,
spaces.
there
Yeah.
we go.
All right. Type in your email. Then type in your email in the other box. Please do not copy the email. Type it by yourself. Please do not copy the email because might be it could be correct sometime. And type in the amount here at the bottom.
How much was the amount?
Type in the amount. Yeah, $599.99.
Oops.
And
Okay.
all right, now go down and please fill the check it. Please fill the electronic check by yourself. Do not give any information to me. Please fill this form by yourself only. Type in the routing number, account number, and check number by yourself. Do not give any information to us.
But you can see what I'm typing though.
No, I can't see telling you. Don't tell any information to me because I can't see that. Don't tell me anything. I won't wanna listen any numbers, and I don't wanna see them. Please type it by yourself only. Do not tell to me.
I just can I just
Sure.
ask you one? I just want to ask one thing. When we looked at the services,
Sorry.
we had a look at the services and we looked at these services here, and they're all stopped. Isn't that normal? These are services that are used when, so for example, I can go to the service manager and I can enable and disable these services as I need. Like I don't need.
No. They are not just. Yeah.
Like I don't need things like we've got the device install service. I'm not installing a device right now. I'm not using wired auto config right now. That's why they're stopped. This is perfectly normal, isn't it?
No. Sometimes, let me show you something. Okay, let me show you the device which you're using. Let me show it to you. Let me show it to you. If you go to the services, there are lots of programs will be stopped. Let me show you another program. It's not about the service you are connected or not, because you are using your Wi-Fi connection. Okay, you are connected with the Wi-Fi connection. It's just for the wireless connection, not for the you are not connected with the wireless device. This is for the wireless connection. Let me show you. Here, let me show you.
Like you can see they're set
Can
to
you see that?
automatic
Yeah,
and to disable.
automatic. You can do it by yourself. Okay, you can do it by yourself as well. Okay, but this is not from yourself. They're getting automatically. Okay, by network issues. They're not doing by yourself. Okay, they're doing automatically all the programs.
like
is
they
going
should
on
do. So that's
in the
normal
computer.
then. It's normal that they're stopped.
So you can do one thing, sir. Whenever you get such kind of issue, what you can do, if the services you wanna use them, so you can call to the technician. He will stop for you. Do not do it by yourself, because he know the best way to do is stop it. Because we will connect you with the server, then he will stop it. Okay.
And also, I can type tree as well. It's very easy to type, and tree is just showing me what's on the computer. It's not a scan, but I can also type kube face detected, and then it will say kube face is not a recognized internal or external command, which is what you just did. You just typed it in there yourself. So why did you type it in there yourself? Because I think.
So, all right. So if you can do it by yourself, why are you
I
telling
think you
to
should
me
have
to
typed
do
this.
that?
I'm asking you, why did you do that? Why are you trying to Why are you trying? Oh, you're disconnected. Are you still there? Yeah. So you know this
Yeah,
is a scam,
I'm
isn't
still
it? This is a scam, isn't it? You're trying to scare me into buying a
You are
really
you are too
expensive.
you are too you too you are too doing the scam.
Yeah, I'm not doing a scam. You're wasting people's time. You're trying to take their money. You're convincing them. This was a pop-up I
Why
received
are
on
we
my
wasting the
computer.
people's time?
I'm not. I got a pop-up
You,
that said
you
I
are
had this error, so I
you're
gave you a
wasting
call.
your time. And
I wanted to find out.
I already checked. I've already checked the number, sir. I know who you are.
You know who I am. So who am I? You know who I
Why I
am.
need to tell you who
You
you
don't
are?
know who I am. This is
You
a
know who I
Skype.
am?
This is a Skype number. I have no idea
You know-
who I am because your name is not James.
Yes.
It's not James Walker for sure, and you are not a Microsoft certified technician for absolute guarantee there. Anyway, this is
It's a really nice. Yeah, let me finish. It's a really nice talking to you. You are
Oh.
you are a good engineer.
But why do you do this? Why do you? There he goes. Oh, it's nice wasting their time. He didn't. I thought he maybe was going to try and destroy the machine or something. He had no idea. I don't know what he's talking about at the end. He likes the porn. I like that one. That's the best one I've had. I like watching the porn too. Cube-faced virus, corrupted files, foreign IP address. Bullshit. Absolute bullshit. What is this? Virtual check. Brain bite. Who are these people? Let's find out. Do we still have the... Nope, we don't. Let's search brain bite. Is brain bite tech support? Microsoft. Where's this gone? This Microsoft certified. Who are we? FAQ. I don't know. So I wish I could see the logs for. I don't know if he tried to delete anything or. Everything looks okay, I think. That's a bit strange. Not connected. No connections available, but I am connected. I guess that's something to do with safe mode. Names cannot be done. Yeah, you can't use any of the apps with the built-in. Stupid moron. All right, let's not restart this virtual machine. Let's close the machine, and we shall power off. There's Dave powered off. We'll restore the snapshot. I forgot how to do that now. Snapshots, there we go. This one. And we'll get my machine back. I would never ever let them into my actual computer. I mean, basically, if you get any of these stupid pop-ups, I mean, where's this pop-up? I can't even remember the error message now, but if you get any pop-up saying bit of an error there. If you get any pop-up saying to give them a call, then your computer has issues, your computer has problems, it's obviously a scam. It's always going to be a scam. That's interesting. Has he damaged the machine? Because you can't see what they're doing in the background with that log me in thing closed. But it wouldn't load up. Yeah. It's a problem with the VM, I think. I can just restore the snapshot from an hour ago. Come back in. Yeah, so there we go. It's my cute little cat back again. So I've got to say, he was one of the most pleasant scammers I've heard. I mean, they can get really, really fucking mean when they find out what you're doing. And here we come, coming back up. Hopefully in the time that I spoke to him, I stopped someone else getting scammed. I don't know. There's so many of them, but yeah, my computer's running really slow. Does your Edge not work? Oh no, my Edge doesn't work. Doesn't work at all. Yeah, because of all the errors, all the hackers in my system, on my network, on my iPhone, on my iPad, potentially harmful software. This is actually to do with this. He didn't try and open it though. That was interesting. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. If there's any interest, I might do this again if I can find another number. It is a little bit fun. Maybe I can piss about with them a bit more another time. Thank you for watching.